एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। रिजल्ट सीरीज के आज आए हैं पीएनबी हाउसिंग फाइनेंस के नतीजे और नतीजों में प्रॉफिट स्लिप हुआ, इनका कम हुआ। मुनाफा कम होने की वजह से द स्टॉक में वैसे भी प्राइस पे नरमी दिख रही है। अब अगर आपको मैं वीकली चार्ट दिखाऊं, अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे इसमें वीकली चार्ट में क्या स्ट्रक्चर बन रही है। देखिए यहाँ पे ये एक टॉप था इसका, यहाँ पे जो एक टॉप है, मैं इसको ट्रेंड लाइन, ये लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ। ये देखिए एक टॉप का एरिया है, ये टॉप एरिया जहाँ पे ये ऑलमोस्ट इसको टच करके उसके बाद नीचे गिरा हुआ है। तो इसने टिपिकल एक पोल बनाया और उसके बाद ये फ्लैग फॉर्मेशन चल रहा है फ्रेंड्स। तो यहाँ पे अभी वीकली चार्ट पे दिख रही है बेरिशनेस, वीकली चार्ट इज बेरिश फ्रेंड्स। वीकली चार्ट of PNB Housing Finance is bearish. It is showing downside price. I'm expecting the price to come to these levels once. It may come into 4 months, 2 months, 6 months, around 400. This will be the perfect buying zone, 480 to 500. 480 to 500 will be perfect buying zone for PNB Housing Finance if you are holding, if you wants to hold for a long term, friends. But for the short term, let us see what is there on the PNB Housing Finance structure. This is the weekly chart. I am expecting it to drop here. It might rise some here and come here. This will be the buying point because this is a support and resistance. Once it gives a breakout, it always comes for retesting. So the for the last 4 5 weeks, price has been on the 30% top side of this particular big candle, weekly candle. That means price is trying to sustain the bullishness, but however the market is showing that there is not much of buyers interest in this stock, and I'll tell you why. Let us also look at the monthly chart, what is happening here. So friend, in a monthly chart, if you also see, this was a previous support zone. This is a demand zone. Basically this was a demand zone, this was a demand zone, and from here it came here, it came downside, to could not take support because of, you see, this type of doji indecision candle. It broke below and came inside. Now it again went here and it is taking resistance here. So now this is a supply zone or resistance point. So this particular level, if you see 780 to 800 level, is a very stiff resistance in PNB Housing Finance. Do not buy do not buy until unless it retraces to a level which is somewhere here. I'll show you here, as I told you, 480 to 500 level, this gap area. Basically, until unless it comes to this gap area, do not buy for a long term. If you want to hold, do not buy before this retracement. Now let us go to the daily chart and see what could be the action for the next few days to come. See friends, again it is showing this pole like structure and this flag is formation. It made a lower high. So this high is important. Now if you want to buy for, let's say, 2 3 weeks, until unless this high is broken of 794 800, you don't go for buying. As I told you, it is now 720. It might go here again and it might face rejection and then come here for filling this gap around 480 and 500 area. So you can sell here or you can buy here for a long term. This will be a good buying point for a long term entry. Once it comes here and what type of structure it forms here at this particular zone, we will get to know. And as of now, it looks like that it might, the profit is slipped, as the result says today, the profit is decreased, and there is also bearish sentiments in this stock. And if you see, this particular candle is this is a basically butcher candle, friends. I call it a butcher candle. So those who have not seen a butcher candle video, this excellent video available on my channel. I introduced it first time for last two months back, and it will change your trading style and it will change your performance. You can work with a very small stop loss and for a very big target. It's easy to spot and easy to work. So whenever in a downside market a butcher candle is formed, market always moves to the top and it tried to creates a double top. So I'm expecting, since butcher is made, until unless the moment it breaks the high, which is 720.45, until it starts trading above 722 or something like this, we are going to see the 790 and 780 5 and 795 areas levels are coming up. So it is going to be at the top of this previous swing high. So this is the beauty of butcher candle. I'll again request you, friends, go and check with the butcher candle video, and those who are not seeing the result series video, please go and check the result series video. You are going to learn a lot on price action. We have discussed asset type transfer finance fall, we have discussed DLF rise, we have discussed LIC housing finance support, We have discussed NSIP and TPC. We have discussed so many other stocks, especially Najara Tech, which people were saying that it will go up and go up despite profit. And I posted analysis saying that it will retrace for next two, for consecutive last two session it is going down. So please friends, go and watch those videos. You have a lot of price action studies. You have a lot of understanding. You have a lot of structures to learn from the price action which is available in those videos. And I hope you will enjoy those videos. And also, if you have any questions, suggestions, please put your suggestion in the comment box. If you're holding PNB Housing Finance, at what level, at what is your stop loss, you can discuss all these things and I'll get back to you. Put your comments in the comment section and also follow on Twitter for live updates every day, more or less. I keep posting index as well as stocks levels as and when they are on a specific price action level. Friends, this is it in this video, and I'll see you in the next video with some more interesting stock and levels. Till then, have a good day. Take good care of yourselves, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.